Hey guys, doing my compact campfire put together. Show you just how easy it is to put it all together. Nice and easy. 5 seconds, 5 minutes maybe. We'll see what happens. We'll time it, eh? We'll sort of time it, but we'll see how we go. Then you throw all your cross braces. Not throw them as you guys did, but put a couple of cross braces out. Just for your tools. I don't use them all because you don't need to.
So one of those compact campfires, how much would they weigh? Approximately.
I think it's 16 kilos.
Approximately. Okay.
Approximately 16 kilos, but then, and that is your compact campfire. So there you go. It's not that hard to put up, right? So do yourselves a favour. I'll put some details about here somewhere. Give Dylan and Sandy a call. Contact them on Compact Campfires. Get on the webpage, get on the Facebook page. Check them out, guys. They are really a great product. Not only that, they've got a lot more items as well. They've got your rotisseries, you've got your pizza ovens. Oh, they've got so many bits and pieces that you can add to these things. They're absolutely fantastic. So as I said, that's the finished product there. That's that extra height and floor I was talking about. The floor, it lifts the floor up for you. Just makes it a bit higher. So your coals or timber or whatever you're cooking can actually bring it up a bit higher, and you don't use as much to bring the heat up. But yeah, no, look guys, it's a brilliant little unit. Get yourselves one. This is a dual one, this one. You've got the centerpiece in the middle there that joins it. That's a joiner in the middle. So you can just keep adding and adding and adding and so on and so on. But give Dylan and Sandy a call. Let them know you saw it on ULA. And let them know, yeah, look, get yourselves one, guys. Pack them up, do whatever you want with them. They're great a lot.